You did it.
Yes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. Yeah, good job.
Wow.
Circle, triangle, square, moon, star, heart, hexagon.
What is that, Kevin? How about this one?
Cow.
How about this one?
No.
What's this?
Triangle.
Yes.
What's this?
Pear.
Square.
Yeah, this one.
Day.
No, hexagon. Yes.
Book.
Yeah, hot.
No, no, no.
No?
No, no, no.
Mm.
No.
Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9.
Kevin.
Circle, triangle, square, moon, star, heart, hexagon.
Yeah, you did it.
No, no, no.
Circle.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, Kevin, hold on. Show Mom this one. Yeah. Come on. Hold on. Where's the balloon? No, Kevin. Where's the number 3? Good.
Yay.
7. Now, show Mom the number 7, Kevin. School. Show Mom the school.
School.
No, please, the school.
School. Where's the school?
Show Mommy.
A depot.
Okay, where's the school?
School.
School. No, that's pencil. School. Yes. Swim. There you go. Oval.
Where's the oval?
5.
Where's the number 5, Papi? Good job.
School.
Where's the school?
School. A day.
Yes, a plane.
A birthday.
Birthday
Cake. Yes, a birthday cake. Hey, the school, Papi.
A book.
Yeah.
Yes, a book.
Where's the school?
School.
Good. Winter.
A no.
Yes. No.
A tree.
Tree.
Okay. Where's the inter?
A
Winter.
mustard.
Winter. Uh-oh. Winter. Good job.
Where's the heart?
Heart. Good job.
Yay!
Basketball.
A cow.
Basketball.
A cow.
Yeah, it was basketball.
Baby.
Yeah, where's the basketball?
No.
Where's the basketball? There you go. 6. You know which the 6 is. You know which the 6 is. 6. Wind.
A field.
Wind.
A pau.
Kevin, cadê o vento? O vento.
No. Wind. Oh, come on. Point. You know it all. Show
Where's
me.
the orange?
1.
Oh, kiwi. Where's the kiwi, Papi? Where? Show Daddy. Where's the kiwi?
Good job.
Good.
Carrot.
Where's the carrot?
Good job.
7.
Good job.
Bag.
Bag. Where's the bag?
Good job.
Baseball.
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 Oh, yes.
Pineapple.
What pineapple?
Pineapple. Good job.
Wow.
See, you gotta start a new
Easy.
game. You only